In Microsoft Ignite 2025 yesterday, Microsoft released a brand new feature called Agent Mode. As long as you are subscribed to M365 Copilot, you can use it directly inside Copilot for Excel. I personally think the feature is really impressive. So today let me share a bit of its value. As you can see, I just opened my sales data Excel file, which contains various columns like order day, region, managers, sales amount, and so on. In the past, Copilot could already analyze these data points, give me insights, add or remove things, and edit part of the data in the sheet. But with this new agent mode, after analyzing the data, Copilot can go further and handle much more advanced tasks. For example, automatically creating a brand new Excel sheet or building a complete dashboard that organizes and highlights all the key points of the data. To use Agent Mode, first go to Home tab in the top left navigation corner and open the Copilot chat pane. Under the Tools button, you will find Agent Mode. Once you are in, you can type exactly the prompt like what you want Copilot to do for you. Say for example, I've asked to create a professional dashboard that lists all the key metrics, including the total sales, sales by region, sales by product, performance of each salesman, and etc. Make it look clean and polished, so I can use it directly in meeting with colleagues. After sending out your prompts, Copilot will immediately start analyzing the data and building everything for you. Just wait a moment, usually it takes like 1 to 2 minutes, and you will see it has already added a new sheet called Dashboard. When you click in, you can even watch in real time as it builds the entire dashboard step by step. Like the charts, the summaries, highlights will be perfectly laid out without you lifting a finger. With this feature, you no longer have to think about which chart format to use or how to present the data. It's so much easier. One thing to note, right now, Agent Mode in Excel is only available in web version. The desktop app doesn't support it yet. Besides Excel, Agent Mode also works in Word. I'll share how to use it in Word next time. See you soon.